today I'll be showing you one of the recent projects that I've been working on. This is a AI support agent wherein business can upload a particular knowledge base related to their, let's say, a return policy or any document specific to the products, and it can respond back to a customer based on return augmented generation by fetching the relevant documents and answering using AI. So I'll quickly upload one of the documents. I just have one book here. I'll just upload that. So you should be able to see in the server logs that it is chunking and inserting the document into the vector database. So I've used Supabase here as a vector database. So you should be able to see all of these documents here, and then there's a documents table that would show the details of the file. So moving on, I'll just quickly show the settings. So we have option for choosing the AI, the temperature, system prompt, the chunk size of like the amount of context that is retrieved from the database for a specific query. All of these can be set here, and the chat widget option with a welcome message can also be seen here. So the same welcome message is shown up here as well. Let's wait for this to be uploaded. Okay, so the chunks have now been uploaded into the vector database. Now we'll just test it out on this test endpoint. I'll just quickly reopen this again. So send a hi. Okay, so we'll ask something specific to the book. We'll ask who was Aaron. We should be able to see, yep, these are the retrieved information, and the standalone question can be seen here. Yep, so using that information, it has answered that. View on passive investing. Passive investing. Let's try this query out. Yep, so we can see that it is answering based on the chunks. In the log, you can see again what is Warren Buffett's view on passive investing is a standalone question that was created based on the chat history. So this is the RAG chain. So basically, we are just feeding this condense prompt function that would create the standalone question. So this is the prompt. It will rewrite the initial questions and based on the user message and the chat history, and that is again used to fetch the information. And this is retrieving the context. This retrieve context function, and yeah, then it answers based on. In the last step, it uses the original question back again, so that it can be very specific to the user's tone, and the specific question can be answered well. So this is how it works, and there's one other thing here is that we can hand off conversations to a real human being. So we can ask something like, can I talk to a real human? Yeah. So customer has requested for human agent, so it detected that and it's handing off. So on the console, if you go here, you should be able to see agent requested prompt, a pop-up here that shows that, and the quick AI summary will also be popping up right now, so the agent can quickly go through and read uh, about the current situation, about the AI resolution, the customer issue, and all this stuff. And it can click on take over. So once it's taken over, it would show here for the users that it's connected to the specific agent, and it's under hi. You see here, see, the chat has a different color and it's popping up here, and the user can ask any questions. So yeah, this is basically how this works. So once the conversation is done, the query has been sorted by the real human, we can click on return to AI, and it is hand over back to the AI assistant conversation, or they can click on close after a certain amount of time, around 3 hours, it will automatically close. So yeah, uh, that is about it.